Now hey guys, you're most welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you how to make money using these two platforms. The first platform, in this platform you're going to earn money by just watching YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you the steps on how to sign up. So let me log out my account so that I can show you how really can you make money here. So let me first log out into my account. So you can see the website is called PayUp. Now I'll be leaving the link down in the description of this video. Now to sign in or to sign up, just need to click in start earning. So from here you'll be signing up your account. You can sign up your account using the simple methods. You can sign up your account using the email, enter the password, confirm that you're not a robot, then sign up, or you can sign up using Google. So I already did that, and I've tried earning here several times, and I have withdrawn from different accounts. So I'm going to show you the best way to do it as you. So here I already signed up an account, so I'm going to sign in my account so that I can show you how really can you earn here and how much can you withdraw. So this is my account and I have a balance of $0.001 So I'm going to show you how to make money. So to make money, just need to click and watch videos. So that is all you need to do. You have to just click in a video, stay there for 15 seconds, then your money will be credited to your account here. So to withdraw, just need to click in payout. So here they have different methods of payout. They have PE, they have all these are the methods which are available for payouts. So after reaching the minimum withdraw, you can withdraw your money direct. Now I have a second platform where I'm going to make even the live withdraw from it. So this is the website. It is called BitClicks. So I'll be leaving the link there down for you also to earn from this website. So I'll leave two links for these two websites. So I'm going to show you even the process of how to register. So let me first log out my account. I'm going to make a live withdraw from this. So once you click in this link, it will bring you to this page. So you have to create an account. You can see it has over 27,000 people and they have earned over $4,000. So here, since I'm a member, I'm going to log in, but let me show you the way how to create your own account. So you're going to enter your username, enter a unique one which is not common, enter the email address, enter your password and confirm it, then verify that you're not a robot and click. Then they'll give you a verification link in your email, so you have to verify your account here. So after then your account is set, so I'm going to log in into my account so that I can show you the best ways to earn with it. And you can see this is now my account and I have a balance of 120 points. Here we earn points and these points are converted into dollars. I'll be telling you the rate of it. So here to earn money you have to click in these three sections. You can view ads, view just simple ads and earn. Now here you earn 10 points and 10 points takes only 30 seconds. You can watch as many ads as you can per day. So another section of earning, once the ads are done, you have to click in show link section. So you can earn money by just completing simple show links. These show links are simple ads whereby you have to continue and reach the destination. So another method of earning here is offer wells, and here you earn by just completing simple tasks from different offer wells. So you can try out any offer well here, you can answer questions, you can do everything as simple. So you can see these are the questions now. So everything is easy. So another way to earn is by clicking earn more and by completing faucet climbs every hour. So that is simple. So as I promised you to withdraw, as you're seeing, so I'm just going to click in withdraw. Once you reach the 100 points, then you are able to withdraw your money. So I'm going to pick the method here, they withdraw to your FaucetPay wallet. So here I have to choose the currency which I want to withdraw. In this case I'm going to withdraw in Tether. So I'm going to withdraw in dollar, and you can see the rate of the coin. So 100 coins are equivalent 0.01 as you see on the screen. So I'm going to withdraw to my FaucetPay wallet. You can see that I have a balance of $0.04. So I'm going to withdraw from this. So let me enter my wallet address for FaucetPay, and I'll tell you more about the FaucetPay wallet. So let me first withdraw, then I'll tell you about the FaucetPay wallet. So I'm going to clear some zeros, then I have to click on submit. Here you can see your payment is sent. So let me check in my FaucetPay. You can see the money has been credited to my wallet immediately after the withdraw. Now FaucetPay is the wallet which supports this. You can see I have used it several times. I have withdrawn from several earning apps. So this FaucetPay is the one which holds micro payments. So I'll be leaving also the link for it, download it to register with it, and soon I'll be leaving you the link to download its app. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and hit the bell button.